Namaste and welcome. Yes, so yes, our 10k is still on. Nothing has changed so far. Let's see how it works. Okay. Um, though I think I will need to train even harder and more. With the reason being is the pandemic, the lockdown, the slowdown, etc., etc., etc. Yeah. So yeah, and by the way, the cases have increased drastically. Okay, so please take care and stay safe. If you see, I have double mask myself. Yeah, training is important and exercise is important, but all this is important only if you are there. Okay, so which means that you are more important. All right, so stay safe. I'm going to connect with some of my old buddies. All right, and we'll try to get a total walking of 12 to 15 kilometers. All right, and in that total walking of 12 to 15 kilometers, I'll try and get as much jogging as possible. Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to get to your sports exercise or sports activities. All right, and thanks for making it to the end of the video. I'll speak to you soon.